Hi, in this video we are going to discuss basics of programming and introduction to Python. So coming to basic terminology which is required to understand the programming. First one is what is program? See the definition first. A program is a set of instructions that a computer uses to perform a specific task. So if you want to perform any task, you need to write instructions. Those set of instructions are called a program. For example, I want to perform a task. The task is I want to print hello world on the screen. This is my task. To do this task, we need to give the instruction to the computer. That is nothing but a program. So how to write the program to implement this task? The program is nothing but the instruction is print hello world. So here I am using Python program to implement my task, to perform my task. That is nothing but instruction or a program in Python programming language. Then now next terminology is what is programming language? So see, a programming language is a vocabulary and a set of grammatical rules for instructing a computer or computing device to perform specific tasks. So in the last slide, we have seen what is program. That is nothing but set of instructions. But if you want to write a set of instructions, you need to follow some rules. Those set of rules is called programming language. Suppose if you want to communicate with any person, you need to use some language. That may be English, Hindi, Marathi, Telugu. In the same way, if you want to communicate with the computer also, you need to use some language. Those are nothing but programming language. So each and every programming language has its own grammatical rules. How we have a rules in English language to frame the sentence. In the same way, if you want to write a instruction in the Python, Python has its own rules. By following those rules, you need to write the instruction in the Python. You need to write a program in the Python. We have several languages in the world to communicate with the persons, like as we discussed English, Hindi, Telugu. In the same way, we have different programming languages also. Like Python is one of the programming language, and other than Python, we have so many programming languages. Few of them are C, C++, Java, Julia, Fortran, Ada, and Pascal. These are the few popular programming languages. Coming to the introduction to Python. First, what is Python? As we discussed in one of our slides, Python is one of the programming language, right? And that is high level programming language, and it has object oriented features also. High level in the sense, probably while developing the code, the words we are using are nearly to our English language, whatever we use in our day-to-day life. So such type of the languages are called high level programming languages, or in other words, high level languages easily can be understood by the human beings. Then this Python programming language was created by the scientist. The scientist's name is Guido van Rossum. This is the person. And the first version of the Python was released in 1991, February 20th. At this time, I want to tell you one more important point. The Java was officially released in the year of 1996. If you compare, Python was released first in the year of 1991, and later in the 1996 Java was released. Why I am saying this is, Python is not a new language compared to the Java. Okay, Java is a new language compared to the Python. Why the name Python? Why the Guido van Rossum has given the name Python to this programming language? Is there any reason? Yes. Actually, when he began the implementing the Python, he interested in a comedy series. The comedy series name is Monty Python's Flying Circus. It is a comedy series. This is one of the snapshot of related to that Monty Python's Flying Circus. So Guido van Rossum think that he want to take a name that should be short, unique, and slightly mysterious. He searched for that word. Then from this name, Monty's Python Flying Circus, taken the word Python. That is the reason why he has given the name Python to his programming language. Coming to the applications of the Python. Applications of the Python means what type of the applications, what type of the projects or programs can be developed. Python is also known as general purpose programming language. Means we can develop various types of the applications. It is not specific type. Different type of the applications we can develop. That is the reason general purpose, not any specific. Okay. So what type of the applications we can develop with help of the Python? Those are web development. We can develop web related applications. Like suppose if you want to develop any website with help of the Python, yes, you can develop. And if you want to develop games also, you can. And artificial intelligence and machine learning related applications also you can develop with help of the Python. And data analytics applications. So these are the few applications of the Python. Then outcomes of this video. Okay, you must be able to give the answer for these questions if you watch this video. First one is, what is program? Please try to pause the video and try to give the answer for this. Check your knowledge. Then what is program? We learnt already. A program is a set of instructions which are used to perform a particular task. Then we learned what is programming language. A programming language is a vocabulary. Okay, by using that we can write the programs. Then what is Python? Python is one of the programming language. It is high level language and object oriented programming language also. Who developed it? Python was developed by Guido van Rossum and officially it was released in the year of 1991. Why the name Python? So at that time he interested in the comedy series Monty's Python Flying Circus. So from that name he has taken the word Python. Applications of the Python. What are the different type of the applications can we develop with help of the Python? Web applications, gamings, artificial intelligence and machine learning related applications, and data analytics applications also. That's it about this video, and in the next video we will continue the next topic of the Python. Thank you.